Hello everyone, welcome to Knowledge Gradient Academy. Myself Sachin Yadav, and today I will discuss physics section of IIT-JEE 2023 mains exam. So the problem is a steel rod has a radius of 20 mm and length of 2 meter. Force of 62.8 kilonewton stretches it along its length. So Young's modulus of steel is 2 into 10 to the power 11. The longitudinal strain produced in the wire is equal to, so this is our wire having length of 2 meter, dia is 20 mm, force acting is 62.8 kilonewton, and E is equal to 2 into 10 to the power 11 Newton meter square. So from Hooke's law we know that normal strain acting on is equal to longitudinal sigma direct proportional to E longitudinal. Sigma is equal to E into strain. So from here strain is equal to sigma by E, and this stress we can calculate by force by area. So the strain is equal to F upon A into A. Force is 62.8 into 10 to the power 3. Convert into all in Newton meter. A area pi 3.14 and 20 by 1000 square into 2 into 10 to the power 11. If we simplify this, that this 20, that one, and this to 10. So from here the final is 25 into 10 to the power minus 5. So they are asking about what the value of wire. So here answer is 25. Thank you very much guys.